Okay, I gonna pick which if I include the houses one.
Oh, no
I not
picking.
picking,
No,
I not picking.
no picking.
Okay, fine. Dalawa na.
Ano yun?
Kuya, ano ka?
Oh,
Hindi
yan.
yan!
Ito, oh.
Ayoko.
Oh, sige. Yeah. Ano?
Ano na?
Ulit.
I don't trust it. I don't trust it. Look suspicious. Really suspicious.
No picking, ah.
I'm not picky.
Oo.
Ano ba?
Doon, isang kuha lang.
This one. Watch movie.
Oh.
Dalawa dapat eh.
Ha?
Dalawa dapat, dalawa. Dalawa ulit. Tsaka,
Ano na, namulat mo na ito eh. Di
kasi dalawa.
lang.
Hindi.
Hindi, namulat mo na.
Hindi. Okay guys, see part 2 and... Oh, no. See part 2 and I hope you enjoy my video. Bye. Gotta go. Hey guys, here's the part 2 of the challenge. Come on, hurry. I'm gonna pick one more. It was bad and good. I have a good. Good. I really was good. Mama, inan yung assignment ko si Daddy.
Dali na. Ito.
Stop.
Two only. Oh.
Bakit pa?
Dali na ha. Bilisan mo. Ay, ayoko na yan. Ayoko na. Qualify ka na pag ano.
Sige na.
Ano na pili mo? Kung kukuha.
What's your movie?
Oh, one more.
Ah!